Ndi mwezi ku ssomero lya St. Bali ku Dembesesi Mitala Maria. Twalizaamu olugendo lwaffe lubadde luwanvu ddala kuba okusinziira ku byafaayo ate ekyaffe kya ddala. Kuba tusomye siniya yaffe emyaka 5 era nga n'olero byonna nsuubira tufunye obudde obungi ate obwetegeka okukola bino ebigezi ebya leero. Emyaka 5 egyo twatandika 2 siniya 1. Omusaayi tuli mu 2 tulina beera mu siniya 5. Tufe bizibu tusanze bingi.
Nze Bayiga Enjo nasomera ku St. Bali ku Dembesesi Mitala Maria. Olunaku olwaleero ngenda kukola ebibuuzo byange bya siniya 4 nga twetegese bulungi bakica buli kimu bakitusomesezza era nga tusuubira buwanguzi.
Kigezo ki ky'ogenda okukola olwaleero?
Nakola kibuuzo kya
abasomesa baffe bano batutegese bulungi batukoledde buli kimu era batufuddeko buli kimu kye tugenda okukola tugenda kwa tukimanyi kubeera buli kimu kye batukoledde tekiyinza kusibiza bazadde bonna tugenda kuyita
a challenge for the new curriculum because the facilities, the scholastic materials themselves also delayed like enough for us who are in the private schools. We received very few books. We had to incur into a lot of cost to buy more books for our students.
We are commencing our exams, that is your name. We pray to God so that He can help us to pass through this journey. We pray that we are going to pass with the flying colors. High School. Today we are going for our first paper, mathematics. We are starting it at 9 a.m. Like we have prepared ourselves. Our parents have also prayed for us.
We have been able to prepare our candidates so well, and we do hope to get the best results. When the new curriculum was introduced with the emphasis on skills and developing on those potentials, for us as Musa High School, it was within our dream. All along, we have been doing activities which were aimed at promoting the potentials of a student. So,
we registered 11 candidates, and we thank God that all of them have managed to sit. Though the new curriculum wasn't easy at first, being that it was new to everyone, but with the continuous trainings from our area supervisor, we have managed to catch up, and I trust we are going to make it because we are well prepared.